Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the ProRes file's frame rate and color metadata so you avoid later shifts. Once verified, set your timeline to a linear or ACES space to preserve dynamic range. This matters for accurate lifts, gains, and saturation. Create a primary node right away and normalize exposure. Drop or raise midtones, pin whites and blacks to legal or full as required. Make these corrective moves now so creative steps later are consistent and predictable across all clips. Once primary balance is solid, inspect scopes to guide decisions. The waveform fixes exposure, while the vector scope ensures accurate skin tones and hue placement. Add secondary nodes for targeted work, isolate skin, skies, or blown highlights, and use power windows plus tracking so adjustments follow movement. If using a LUT or film transform, apply it on its own node and dial opacity back. This prevents clipping and lets you refine contrast and color by hand for a natural result. Finish by inspecting gamut and output levels. If you see RGB clipping or illegal ranges, insert an output transform or a limiter node to protect broadcast specs. Add a shared node for subtle film grain and targeted sharpening to unify texture across shots. Make tiny global tweaks to hue and saturation last so everything reads together. If colors shift between clips, reevaluate your input color space and the sequence of nodes. Often node order or a wrong source space causes the problem, not the grade itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.